Week 5, 2026. Lesson about avoidance and then product development, about fixing a bug. First, if the thing that you have to do is something that you have to do and its cost will compound by time, then the cost of avoidance is bigger. So I realized that oftentimes something is very hard, but I have to do it anyways. And if I'm avoiding it, it's becoming harder and harder and harder. And it's taking my mental energy also all the time when I've not done it yet. So if you have to do it, then you have to do it, and you cannot wait too long to do it. The lesson specifically is the cost of avoidance often increases if the task is unavoidable, and its costs will compound by time. In these cases, the earlier you can do the task, the better. And if the cost of it doesn't compound by time in terms of mental fog or something else, then delaying it can be rational. And the steps are that you want to spot what are the things that you have to do, what are the must-do tasks. And you can also ask yourself what am I avoiding that would help the most progress, would increase the progress the most, and that will often help you to find something that you're avoiding that you should be doing. And then understand does the cost of this increase by time if I don't do it now, and is it something that I should do now compared to that other thing that I might be considering. The answer is yes, then you just do it. Then a lesson about which bugs should you solve. Those bugs that block the user to gain the core value of the product are the bugs that you should be focusing on. And yeah, what happened was that there was those kind of bugs, and I was like, oh shit, these are so hard. I don't know how to solve them. And then I was like, oh no, I have to solve them. I must solve them. And I was right, I must solve them. So I set time, I'm gonna focus on solving it. That's it. I was focusing on solving it. And then I found a solution. It was good. And what I learned is if the user core workflow is blocked, nothing else matters. You have to solve it. You have to find a way to solve it. So steps are what kind of bugs we have. Is one of them blocking the usage of the core workflow? If yes, solve it immediately. Forget everything else, solve it. And the second priority, let's not talk about that. Okay, if there's something that blocks, solve it. Even regardless of how hard it is, just solve it. Just do it.